Hello and welcome to our review of the Vissles V84, a wireless mechanical keyboard that's designed for both work and play. In this video, we'll be discussing the features, performance, and overall value of this keyboard to help you decide whether it's the right choice for you. The Vissles V84 features a sleek and minimalist design that's perfect for modern workspaces. It's made of high-quality aluminum alloy and features a durable and comfortable PBT keycap set. The keyboard also has a compact and portable design that makes it easy to take with you on the go. The Vissles V84 uses Gateron brown mechanical switches that provide tactile feedback and a satisfying typing experience. These switches are also relatively quiet, making them ideal for office environments. Overall, the typing experience on the Vissles V84 is comfortable, responsive, and enjoyable. The Vissles V84 features both Bluetooth and wired connectivity, giving you the flexibility to use it with a wide range of devices. It also has a long-lasting battery life of up to 10 hours with the RGB lighting turned off and up to 8 hours with the lighting turned on. The Vissles V84 comes with software that allows you to customize the lighting effects, macros, and key mapping. While the software is easy to use and offers a range of options, it's worth noting that it's only compatible with Windows systems. The Vissles V84 is priced at £109.99, which is relatively high for a wireless mechanical keyboard. However, when you consider the high-quality materials, solid performance, and customization options, it's a fair price for what you get. High-quality aluminum alloy construction. Comfortable and responsive Gateron brown switches. Bluetooth and wired connectivity options. Customizable RGB lighting and key mapping. Portable and compact design. Relatively expensive compared to other wireless mechanical keyboards. Software only compatible with Windows systems. Overall, the Vissles V84 is a great wireless mechanical keyboard that offers a premium typing experience and a range of customization options. While it's priced a bit higher than some other options on the market, it's a worthwhile investment for anyone who values quality and performance. That's a review of the Vissles V84. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews and tech content. Thank you for watching.